y'all, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to my little kitchen. I am going to be just whipping something up real quick tonight for you. Just some eggnog. Now some of you may roll your lips, Lord, I don't like eggnog, just because you think there's raw eggs in it and all that nonsense. I know Russell he has not cared for eggnog really ever. He's like, I don't want to be drinking no eggs. So what I'm gonna make is some eggless eggnog, y'all. Anybody can whip this together. It's just like some milk punch. That's what we'll call it. But it is really expensive, and if you buy it in the store, and honey, you can just whip this up at the house and it's really good. So my ingredients are just some milk, and now you can use milk and sugar, but I'm going to be using just as condensed milk, adding it into mine. My recipe that I've done for the many years that I have done it was just milk and sugar, but I'm going to mix it up with some condensed sweetened milk, some milk, my little spices, just vanilla, some rum flavoring extract, some cinnamon and some nutmeg, and a box of vanilla jello. Yes, honey, yes, yes. All right, so we're going to start off by blending some milk with the vanilla pudding. Now I've got the French vanilla 3.4 ounces, and we're going to just whip this up. I'm going to put about 3 cups of milk in here right now. 1, 2, 3. Then I'll also go ahead and add my condensed milk, because that's going to be your sweetener. Now if you don't have sweetened condensed milk, you can do this 5 cups of milk and about a ½ cup of sugar or so. But we're going to try it this way and just hope for the best, because normally I do use sugar. But here's what we're doing. Let's just get all of this goodness in here. Yummy, yummy. This stuff is so good. This sweetened condensed milk, it is really good. All right. Now I have also done it with to thicken it up with some heavy whipping cream, and did it that way. So this recipe can be done all kind of ways, but this is what I'm going to use tonight. It is time for this, y'all. 'Tis the season, I'm telling you. Sitting around sipping it up, watching you some Christmas music. I mean, watching you some Christmas movies, not music. You can listen to music too. I'm going to go ahead and whip this up. Get this blending. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put my my spices and stuff in it, my cinnamon, my extract, my little flavorings and stuff. I am going to use about, I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons of this rum flavoring, and about 1 teaspoon of my good old vanilla. That's going to give it some good flavor. Don't need no alcohol or anything. This is just going to give it lots of flavor. Let's see, 1.5 teaspoons. Then we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of this vanilla. Give it a little shake up. This is a really good recipe, y'all. My kids love eggnog. And it can be really, really pricey when you buy it. The good thing about this is you can just do this all year round. You ain't got to wait for it to be in season. That's the best part. If you like some eggnog, honey, I'll just go whip you some up. It'll be all right. All right, I'm going to put my cinnamon in there. I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in here as well. Now, you can use allspice. You can just use whatever your heart fancies, but I'm just going to use some cinnamon right now and some nutmeg. because I don't have any allspice, but it's all right. You can just mix and match, do what you want to do. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, maybe about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg in there. I really like the cinnamon flavor to come through in my eggnog. So we're gonna give this another little spin here. All right, and we're gonna see where we're at. I just sprayed that everywhere. Oh yeah, I'm gonna add now another cup of another cup of milk, and whip that up again. And you know how you get the eggnog in the store and the consistency is really thick sometimes. It's almost just like a melted milkshake. You can make this thin or thick because some people, the thickness of the drink really throws them off. But you can thin this out. And if you want it thicker, like I said, you can use some heavy whipping cream, and oh, it is just delicious. Let's blend a little bit more now. All right, give it a little taste here. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is delicious. I'm telling you, that is so good. It tastes better than the store-bought. I ain't even lying to you. It is delicious. That's all it needs. I mean, it don't need a blessed thing. That's all. I'm gonna pour this up. Got my little milk jug here. We'll put it in here. Watch me just spill it all over the place. No, it's pouring pretty good. It's thick, just the perfect consistency. I think I will always use that sweetened condensed milk now instead of mixing the sugar. And look at that. Look at that big old jug of goodness, y'all. My lands, that is good. It smells so good. That rum extract just kicks it up another notch. Don't forget that, because that really has made it good. Some people drinks this, they drink it warm and put some little whipped cream on top, like you would hot chocolate. I like mine cold personally. You can still put some whipped cream on top and just enjoy it. But I'm gonna get Russ in here, and I hope he's gonna taste it because, like I said, he's not really a nog fan. So I have explained there is no eggs in here. There's no drinking no raw eggs. I don't know why he thought that's what it's. You know, that's all he can't get past the raw eggs. So I'm gonna get him in here. I'm gonna clean up my little mess real quick, y'all, and get him in here, give it a little taste. All right, y'all know what time it is. Come on, Russell. Got you a real treat tonight. Something really good.
Oh, you too.
It's Santa, apparently.
Jolly old. Jolly old Russell.
Stop. All right.
What in the world is this?
Oh my goodness.
She was like, don't go far. This ain't gonna take long.
It ain't gonna take but a minute. Y'all see how fast it was.
I get out of the way and
yeah.
Show up when it's my time.
He shows up when it's time to taste.
Yep.
Do his job. I got you.
Eggnog.
Oh yeah, y'all look at. I told him.
Yeah.
I told him you don't really care for it. I mean, you've never really just a thought of raw eggs.
I don't know. I'm not huge on nutmeg either. It's not. It's just I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, but hey. No eggs. So
eggless.
No eggs.
Eggless. I said we'll just call it milk punch.
Hey.
Milk punch.
Okay.
That's what we'll do. We'll go with that.
Okay. Milk punch.
Milk punch. Show them. Show how pretty it is. Got some whipped cream on top. A little sprinkle of cinnamon.
She done it up right, y'all.
Can't go wrong with some Cool Whip.
Christmas Eve.
Getting
ready for the cookies for Santa.
Yes. Make you some eggnog.
Carrots and celery sticks
all that.
For Rudolph and company.
Yep. It's even good toasting in the new year as well.
Wait a whole nother week and do it again.
You ain't got to wait on. Yes. Go ahead. Bottoms up. Bottoms up.
That's good.
It's really good, ain't it?
Yeah. It's all over my
Dessert.
plate.
It's like dessert in a cup.
It's different.
It is.
It's got a different taste. You can definitely taste pudding in it.
Yeah.
I know it's got pudding in it.
It's
'cause I can
vanilla.
taste
Well, you
pudding.
know, pudding. Yeah. Yeah. It's really good. That rum flavor comes
Yeah,
through.
it
The
was
cinnamon.
kind of a rum. That's what it was.
Yep,
That's
it's the rum.
That's the flavor I was tasting.
Yes,
It was
yes.
kind of weird.
But yep. It's like a milk.
Very good.
It is good.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
It's really good.
I'm actually surprised.
I know.
No
I
faking,
knew you.
y'all. We didn't have to
I
fake
knew
nothing.
you.
We didn't have to fake nothing.
Listen, we don't fake nothing
It's
anyway.
almost Jesus' birthday. We don't need to be faking nothing. That's
No.
right. And I don't ever have to.
He
That's
does
true.
not ever
Even on the
fake.
stuff that I am not the most favorite of.
Yeah, he'll say it's not my favorite,
But yeah,
but
but everything's been good, so I don't have to do that.
Yeah.
It makes it easy.
well, good.
Yeah.
Yep, he's realizing all these things he's been missing out on all these years because he didn't taste it, but he's done so good
Well,
at tasting stuff.
That was very good.
It is
was very
good. It's good.
I'm down for that.
It's really good.
I like the old milk jug
You
there.
got my
Look,
little
that's
jug.
cool. Yeah.
Yes.
She loves that stuff.
I do. I love it.
Old bottles and
Yes, it sits
kitchen
on
gadgets and stuff like that.
doodads.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
My little doodads.
We love to thrift. We love to
Yeah.
find pick stuff. Yep.
Anyway, but it's good. Y'all try it. Like I said, you can do this all year round. You don't have to wait for it to become in season because you know they only sell it a certain
Yeah. You can
time.
only get eggnog a certain time of year.
You feel like eggnog, you say, you know what? I can whip it up myself, and you get in your kitchen and you do it.
It's good.
It is good.
I'll be honest, I hadn't had a whole lot of what they really call eggnog with eggs and all that. I can't really say I've had a whole lot. But if it tastes like that, that's pretty good.
It's
so
really
I would
good.
probably open and try and give it a try maybe.
It is. It's good.
But this is very good.
Yes.
This is very, very good. I'm going to drink this whole glass here in a minute.
It's good. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, for putting up with our nonsense all the time.
We have a little bit.
Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yep.
And just enjoy your loved ones and remember the reason for the season.
Amen to that.
So anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed Christmas. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Safe travels.
Yes.
Catch you on the next one.
Peace.